How to make mouse wheel to scroll control under mouse cursor. Currently, mouse wheel scrolls the control that has keyboard focus. That's not good when window has several scrollable controls, because I have to click control first and then scroll. And the same again when trying to scroll another control. Especially bad, when that control has some action associated with click, like MSDN's article list, it opens new article on click. So, is there any tool to fix mouse scroll behavior?
Try WizMouse. Just some software I came across. Haven't tried it though, but the comments on it seem good.
Check out CatMouse. I think this will do what you want.
Windows 10 now adds such an option to the modern UI control panel under Input. It does not make the scroll wheel work over combo boxes though, like CatMouse or Always Mouse Wheel would do.
Versuch Runde, besser zum Streaming.